Look, this is just a teaser, a taster, I guess, of what's to come.
Good morning, everybody. It is fantastic to see so many people here.
I've never seen so many manufacturers in one room.
The AMRF will provide world-class infrastructure to support manufacturing in Western Sydney and across the state. It'll help businesses innovate, scale and stay ahead of the competition. Its heart will be at Bradfield, helping to underpin the ecosystem that will be the driver of that new city.
You've really got some really good partners that you work with in industry. I think it's amazing, it's very exciting as well.
It's been fantastic to see the vision of the AMRF come to life.
At this point in time, I'd like to call our panellists up to the front.
It's not just about working together for that finite period of time.
Having that audience, when I got up and turned around, I thought, oh, okay, I can do this.
How we can improve our productivity. We said around about 20%. I think in reality we might actually hit more than 30.
We're looking forward to seeing what manufacturing capabilities the AMRF has.
I can see manufacturing starting to get a bit of push, so yeah, it's very exciting.
We saw what AMRF was trying to do, and it was a little bit of a marriage made in heaven.
This machine here is just one of our kind of smaller prototyping machines.
Lots of manufacturing businesses in Western Sydney, and I think a lot more can benefit from that kind of assistance.
Actually, the machinery and the buildings and everything are only one part of this. Actually, the team and the people and skills that are around it are absolutely key.